Hi everyone, this is Alex from CEOLED Display in Shenzhen, China. Today is a great honor for me to introduce our latest model for the commercial display. This one is been integrated with the new model transparent 55-inch LG panel with the smart robot. This one. So today we're going to introduce how going to make this to run step by step from the first beginning. So let's begin. First, I'm going to push the button to power on. This one is being integrated with the smart robot. So this is the power on and the power off switch. Power on and the power off switch. You just push here a little bit harder, and then you can see the light is on. So the system is going to start. After around a few seconds, you will see the engine system is going to start show on this transparent screen. This transparent screen, it is the 55-inch with the LG panel, also with the capacitive touch. G plus F and F, the new technology of the touch technology. So first, we're going to see that the engine system is on, and then we're going to connect with the local internet, like the Wi-Fi. Go to the internet and the Wi-Fi here, and choose your local Wi-Fi if it is acceptable. Then input the network, the password, and once it is connected, you will show here the signal. So make sure the internet is good and the signal is stronger. We go back, right, and we go back here, and then we go back to the applications. From applications page, you can see that we have our own customized. We have been developed our own applications for the OLED Navigator. So we open this one. So it is opened. So please come to see this one. So this is floating icon. So we move here, so it's much more clear to see this one. So when you click this icon, so you will see that icon. So it is the Chinese version. We select to the English version here. Right. So let me introduce the function of this icon. This is control. This is more. You see that you can change the volume, sound of the volume, and also you can change the English version and Chinese version. And this is the IP, and also it's a charging threshold. That means if the battery is below 30%, and the machine going to go back to the charging place automatically. All right, and here is the video. If you push this one, check this one, and you will see the all screens are going to display the video you've been installed or copied to this system. Later, we're going to show you how to change and upload your video files from your local USB drive to this system. Take a look. So from this transparent screen, you see that if the background or the color it is black, you can see that the transparency it looks so good. This one we with the touch phone, but if we without touch, you can see that transparency can be close to 48%. Now with the touch, the transparency now can close to be the 40%. So you can see the different videos can show the fantastic videos on the screen, being very attractive. So we suggest all the videos, the contents, they should be like this way, have the very clear black contents or the background, and they can show the transparency way. Alright, so let's go back, go to the home page. See? So this is the video, and if we go back to click the charging, that machine is going to move to the space, to this one. This is the charging device. So if we click the charging, this device is going to go to the charging device automatically. So let's try. So when I click this way, this button, and wait a little bit while, so you're going to automatically find his charging point. Now the light is green, so when it's going to be matched with each one, the light is going to be flickering between the red and the green. Once it is connected for charging, the light is going to be red. That means it's been charging successfully. And also you can see the charging adapter will going to be red as well. Once the battery being full charged, the light is going to be green. So when after the device is being full charged, and then we can see that we can control. It's going to go to the point all the way you've been set it by itself. And meanwhile, we can open the video. So you're going to be run the way you've been set it, and you're going to run it automatically, being patrolled by the way in the circle way again and again. So in that way, I think it is. So we make to patrol by themselves. All the route is going to be controlled by you through the system. Later I'm going to show you how to make it in a simple way. And this smart robot can detect any kind of the people or the goods instead of in the front of this machine, and it's going to move the different way. And you're going to find a way, go through, and to find his next point. It's very safe. Now we're going to set the map and set the route step by step. First, we click the application and we go there. This is the delivery, the base applications to control the robot. So here the delivery, we click this one. So it is like this way, this map. So we're going to slash from the right to the left. Try again. Okay, so you can see it's here. So we more setting. So in this page you can see the language setting. So you can switch the different way: English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Spanish. This English version, and also that other ways for some of the higher function. But now we do not need that kind of function. We go back. Right. So we're going to move to the map deployment. It's very important. Because normally if the internet is good enough, you're going to detect, we're going to show this in 1 minute. So this been scanned, that's the map, it's been scanned, and this is our showroom map. So we're going to start it from the first beginning. So first we're going to rebuild the map. That means the previous map is going to be removed. So if you receive the new device, you're going to do like this way, confirm. So you can see that is totally empty, the map. So we're going to do it from the first beginning. We're going to push that device. So Kevin, could you please help? Yes, that's right. To scan the map. And you will see the change on the map. The radio at the point at the front of the device. This one is detect the whole map when you move this device. So you can see the difference. Okay, so you can see the difference. Here, the map. You see? That's the map being scanned. That arrow is our machine in this way, and the black as means it is the door. It's like the door or some of the wall. Here, see? But also we got the different way we can because it is the laptop version. So when we put it on the screen, it's going to be a little bit hard to control. But later I'm going to show you how to make this. Just want to show you this, the map scanning. It has been done. Okay, so you see that the yellow, it is the moving people or the moving the subjects. See that too, and it is being moved. See? Okay, so the map being scanned successfully, and we save the map. About saving the map, this is the map, and it exists the map building model. We confirm.
Saving map. Please wait. Currently in navigation mode, you can set the location of charging point, production point, and distribution table point.
All right. So the map been saved, and then next we're going to set as a charging pile, setting as a production point. So next we're going to say that the charging pile set as it's correctly locked to the charging pile. Okay, so this way we're going to move here to here. Right? So that's the way. Where it is connected, so we confirm. Alright, so this the charging point. Then we move here to set as the production point, as means the start point. We set it here. So you can see that the charging point and production point. So that way it is the wall. So that is our showroom map. So now we can make the route. That's right. The route is being done, and please push the robot along specified route and click to save the route when it reaches the end of the route. Kevin, could you please push? So that the route is going to be this robot going to follow the route. Okay, we're going to stop here. Okay, Kevin? Okay, we can stop here. Alright, okay. So we want this machine to stop. Okay, we want this screen to move from the start point to be here. Okay, so we save the route. We give the name. The name we set as the number 1 route. Confirm. That's been saved successfully. Okay, then we're going to have a try. At first, we're going to see that. So we exist the deployment.
Please make sure that the charging point, production point, and all delivery points are marked.
That's right. So the charging point will be set, the production point will be also set, and the delivery points be marked. That means the route will be set down, and we give the name the 1. Confirm. You put it here. So did not see. So yes, we refresh. So we can see that the 1 route will be set. So start.
My emergency stop switch has been pressed and can't be moved.
Correct. So we need to know where is the emergency stop switch. The emergency stop switch is this one. So we're going to release. Just leave the pull, and a little bit run away.
The emergency stop switch has been restored.
Yes. So you can see that the emergency stop switch is being pressed and being removed by the sound. So we confirm. So we're going to start.
Okay, let's try the test.
And in this way, we're going to play the video they've been set. Okay, so this time we're going to we're going to introduce to set the route by another way. Could be a little bit easy about the web. So once everything is ready, we see that the Chrome. So we click this browser, and then we put in that the IP. That IP is being changed by the different locations. So how we can get this IP? So we go back to this one, and we click this icon, and we click the more. So you can see that IP, right? 6.216. That's the IP, right? Okay. So we go back to here. So that's the same IP, right? So once you put the IP here, and you can get into this page. In this page, you can see a lot of functions and the functions and about the settings. So first, you can see that the emergency stop in the red. That means later if we want to move, and then we need to release that just at this one. Okay, and you can see the battery 77% left, and you can see the English version. We have different. You can see the Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, Spanish, French. See that? Okay, and the Dutch. So we use the English way, English version for our demo. And see now we've been scan the map. So you can see the map here. It is our showroom. You see that? And being here, we've been set the charging pile and the protection pile, the point. And this is the right directions. See? The arrow, like this way. So that way, just we are going to move here. So you hear that way. Normally we're going to use the build model and the position and the navigation route. So if we want to move, so first we're going to release the emergency stop button. So you can see that it's red. That means it's ready to go. So if we want to move like the navigate, so we like this way, we're going to we want to move to here, and you're going to move to the model, that direction, right? So you can see from the map it's going to be there, and we try click here. If we want to this one, we want to the device, the screen, move to this position, you're going to be here, right? Okay. So if you want to go back to be here, you're going to be this point, like this way. It's a test to how to move the screens. Right? So we also can we're going to change the direction. We're going to like this way. It's more easy for everybody to see the transparency way. Right? Okay. All right. So please come here. So you can see that's the navigation model. So this is the build model. As build model, that means we want to rescan the map from first beginning. If the screen's been moved to a totally new place, so you need to scan the map from the first beginning. So, and that we use the position. That position, that means we've been set this this is the one. We named the one at this route. So if we want to move this way, like this, so we're going to patrol, click the patrol, and the total machine, this screen, they're going to run as the route has been set on the map. So let's take a look. Patrol. Give you maybe few seconds. Just now we show how to set the point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. So the screen is going to run from this order, from number 1, number 2, number 3, then the point 4, and going to recycling. So we can click the floating icon, and then we're going to see how it's going to look. Patrol. Give it maybe 3 seconds. It's going to run from the point A to point 2, from point 2 to point 3, from the point 3 to the point 4. Okay, so if you want to So if you want to stop, so the click this icon, so the screen is going to finish until the next point, like the point 3, going to stop here. So you can see that Navigator successfully, they're going to stop here. If you don't want to stop, you just make it a recycling by yourself until the battery is below the 30%. You're going to come back directly.